Hi everyone, how's everybody doing today? Now I'm going to move into, we've done the front butt, I'm going to move into the inner thigh and the back of the leg, what we call the back butt. Some people would refer to it as hamstring and refer to this as the adductor, but we're just again going to focus on regions. So this one I'm going to show you on the wall, but you can do it on a stair, and it works actually really nicely on a stair as well. And we're going to start with the inner thigh. Okay, so you're going to put your foot up on something to whatever height is comfortable, whether that's a chair or a stair, and then my foot is connected with the wall. So if you're doing it on a stair, I want your toes connected to the stair above so that you have something to kind of anchor against. This foot width is going to be whatever is comfortable for your body, okay? And then I want you to picture that you're isometrically pushing your legs apart. So the thought process is you're almost giving that internal tension while you're stretching, as if you're pushing everything away. And then what you're going to do is take your body and reach in all different directions. So the key with this is that your butt is out a little bit. So stick your butt out a little bit, keep a little bit of a bend in your knee, and then anything that you do this way is going to put it on slack. So we want everything going this way or this way, because that's going to get into that muscle. So this is going to be the most aggressive, and then you can come here, you can come here. So literally, I don't like to tell people exactly where to go. I want you to find where you need to go. You can also just even reach for the wall and stretch that way. But I personally like it being a little bit more dynamic, where I want you moving in and out, but I maintain my butt out position and I maintain a little bit of a bend in my knee so that I'm not hyperextending my knee. And this is a really dynamic stretch for here. Then you take it and you turn yourself this way. So now my foot is facing the wall and I've got my heel on there, and we're going to do the same thing with a slight bend in the knee, and I want the butt out, okay? And then you're going to do, again, a stretch. Come here, rotate. So think anything, again, where I'm moving my trunk with my chest out, because if I do this, I put it on slack. So I want to do this. I want to be hinging at my hip with my butt out. And reach, use the arm as the driver, and go in every plane you can think of to get all the heads of your hamstring. Love this stretch, it's really dynamic. Then my third one for the lower extremity is going to be the calf. And I'm going to show you against the wall. So what you're going to do is the back leg, you're going to toe in, and then you're going to come into a little bit of a lunge position. I'm going to move this out of the way. So you'll be toed in, the other foot is flat on the ground, hands are on the wall. I want the back heel to stay in contact with the floor. And then you're going to take the front knee and you're going to drive it to the wall in every direction. So go diagonally out, diagonally across, forward. And what you're going to find with that is it's going to change the stretch on the back of the calf. So the key is the back leg is pigeon-toed in, or straight, wherever you, like if you tend to have your foot toed out, you might only be able to get to straight. That's fine. Just get as close to a toe in as you can. If you have a really flat foot that hyperpronates, I want you to take a towel, like a hand towel, bisect your foot in half lengthwise and put the towel on the inside of your foot so that your arch can't collapse. If your arch collapses, then what happens is you're not really getting a stretch on the calf, you're cheating through the foot. That's why I'm having you toe in, to kind of keep the arch stable. And you just drive this knee in all different planes. So that gives us the calf, the back of the lower leg, gives us the hamstring and the inner thigh. So keep on moving with all these 3D activities and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your feedback, love to hear any challenges you may have, any questions. So please reach out if you're having any questions or concerns, and have fun. Keep moving.